If you're in the market for an air fryer but don't want just the basics, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the best multi-purpose air fryers you can buy right now. These aren't just air fryers, they're versatile countertop appliances designed to replace multiple gadgets in your kitchen. From baking and roasting to dehydrating and even rotisserie cooking, these units have it all. I'll be ranking them from number 5 to number 1, so make sure to stick around until the end to see which model comes out on top. At number 5, we have Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven, a compact but powerful 8-in-1 appliance that offers serious versatility without taking up too much space. Thanks to its digital crisp control technology, this oven gives you precision over temperature, heat source, and airflow, ensuring every meal comes out cooked to perfection. With 8 functions in one: air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm, it's a true multitasker for everyday cooking. One of its biggest advantages is speed. With a 60-second preheat and cooking up to 60% faster than a traditional oven, you can make full meals in as little as 20 minutes. Pair that with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying, and you've got a healthier, faster way to cook your favorites. It also has a large capacity, fitting a 13-inch pizza up to 9 slices of toast or 6 chicken breasts at once. And when you're done, it flips up and away to store against your backsplash, saving you valuable counter space. Cleanup is easy too, with a removable crumb tray and an accessible back panel. Included in the box are a sheet pan, air fry basket, wire rack, and crumb tray. Compact, versatile, and efficient, the Ninja SP101 is perfect for smaller kitchens or anyone who values speed and space-saving design. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven with grill comes in at number 4. With 1,800 watts of power, it's equipped to handle everything from air frying and baking to broiling, grilling, toasting, and even warming. Capacity-wise, it can toast 6 slices of bread, air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken, making it a solid option for families or anyone who cooks larger portions. This model also delivers fast and crispy results thanks to Air Advantage technology, which uses an optimized fan and heating system to lock in flavor and give your food that golden crunch. The adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and toast shade selector give you full control over your cooking. Included accessories are practical too: an oven rack, baking pan drip tray, an air fry basket, plus a ceramic non-stick griddle. The interior is stainless steel and easy to clean, which is always a plus. If you're looking for a durable, well-rounded toaster oven air fryer with grilling capabilities, the Cuisinart 2A70 is a reliable choice. Next up at number 3 is the Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven, a family-sized countertop convection oven with a lot of features packed in. It comes with 12 cooking presets and a wide temperature range from 95 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you want to bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate, or rotisserie, this machine can do it all. The high fry option adds that extra crisp finish for foods where you want more crunch. This model also has a spacious 12-quart capacity, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. The stainless steel rotisserie spit ensures perfectly crispy chicken while using a fraction of the fat of traditional frying. The extra-large window and interior lights let you monitor your food without opening the door, and cleanup is simple thanks to its removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts. Accessories include 3 cooking racks, the rotisserie spit and forks, a retrieval tool, and a drip tray. With plenty of presets and space, the Chefman is a practical option for households that want versatility without the fuss. Coming in at number 2 is the Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven from the Foodie series, also known as the XL Pro Air Oven. This model is a powerhouse with true surround convection, which gives up to 10 times the convection power compared to a traditional oven. That means food cooks faster, crispier, and stays juicier. It's a 10-in-1 appliance covering functions like air fry, whole roast, bake, toast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, pizza, bagel, and air roast. With 90-second preheat and cooking speeds up to 30% faster than a full-size convection oven, it's perfect for busy households. The XL capacity is another big plus. You can fit a 5-pound chicken and a sheet pan of vegetables at the same time, or even 2 12-inch pizzas. The 2-level cooking design means no rotating is required, and it can handle big batches for entertaining or weekly meal prep. The digital display handle is also a smart touch. It shows you the best rack positions based on your selected function, and settings freeze when the door is open to prevent accidental changes. Accessories include 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, an air fry basket, a roast tray, and a crumb tray. For anyone who wants a powerful oven that can replace their full-sized appliance for everyday cooking, the Ninja XL Pro Air Oven is hard to beat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This appliance combines elegance, functionality, and sheer power to take the top spot. With 25 cooking presets and 24 functions, it covers everything from roasting and baking to slow cooking, pizza, ribs, pastries, and more. The dual-speed fan and 360 degrees air circulation deliver perfect golden crisping, no matter what you're cooking. Its 26-quart capacity makes it one of the largest countertop ovens available. It's big enough to rotisserie a 6-pound chicken, bake a 12-inch pizza, or prepare meals for a family of 6. The automatic shutoff for toast ensures you never burn a slice again, and the red to blue indicator light makes it easy to see when your food is done. The French door design is a standout feature. Opening both doors with a single pull feels sleek and professional, while the interior light lets you monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process. The stainless steel exterior also adds a touch of class to any kitchen. Accessories include 7 pieces to get you started, so you'll be ready to cook just about anything right out of the box. Overall, this is the most versatile and stylish option, making it the best multi-purpose air fryer oven on the market right now. So there you have it, 5 of the best multi-purpose air fryers ranked from number 5 to number 1.